Hello there, welcome back to the video. So today in this video we are going to see how we can use decomposition tree in Power BI and how we can analyze and explore the data by using decomposition tree. So first of all, let's move on to the data set and let's see what the data set includes. So here in this orders table, we are having two types of column. First is the numerical value and second one is the non-numerical value. So wherever you see this aggregation sign, these are the numerical value. For example, this discount, order ID, postal code, profit, row ID, sales, shipping cost, and unit price. All these are numerical values. And we can perform some aggregations on these numerical values. Whereas the other values which you see, such as city, customer name, customer segment, order date, order priority, product category, product container, product name, product subcategory, all these columns are non-numerical values and we cannot perform any aggregations for on these columns. So I will show you a simple dashboard over here. So whenever we are analyzing any data, what we try to visualize is we always try to visualize a particular numerical value based on a non-numerical value. So all these numerical values are known as measures and these non-numerical values are called dimensions. So what we do is for every visualization which we make in Power BI, we analyze the measure based on a particular category or the dimension. So here as we can see, profit is the measure. So here what we are analyzing is monthly profit. So the months which you can see over here, these are dimensions and profit is the measure over here. So we are analyzing profit on the basis of month. Moving to the next visualization, we are analyzing sales on the basis of region. And for the other visualization, we are analyzing subcategory on the basis of profit. So here also profit is the measure and subcategory is the dimension on basis of which we are analyzing the profit. Here also we are analyzing category by sales. So this is how we are analyzing the data in different visualizations which we make. So same way we will be using decomposition tree as well. So first of all, let's move on to this page and let us add the decomposition tree from here. So this is the decomposition tree. And in this decomposition tree, you can see these three things: analyze, explain by, and tooltips. So in analyze, what you can do is you can add the measure which you want to analyze, and explain by. In explain by, you can add the dimensions. So you can add a maximum of 50 dimensions in explain by. So in this way, you will be able to analyze a particular measure based on these different dimensions which you will be adding here. So here for this decomposition tree, let me add profit over here. So I will add the profit, and in explain by, we can add different dimensions. First, I will go with city. Then I will go with state. Then I will go with region. Then I will go with product subcategory and product category. And then I will go with order priority. So we have added all the dimensions in explain by over here. Now here you will be able to see this sum of profits, and at the end you can see this plus icon over here. Let me zoom it a little bit. Okay, so you can see here a plus icon over here. So when I will click on this plus icon, I will get all the dimensions which I have added, and I also have this high value and low value which we'll see later on. So first what we will do is we will analyze this sum of profits which is around 13 lakhs. So we will analyze it on the basis of region. So here you can see that after clicking on region, what it has done is it has divided it on the basis of the region, and it has automatically sorted it from higher to lower value. And we can see here that the central region generates the highest profit. Now again, here we have the plus icon, and if I'm clicking over here, again I can click on the state or province, and it will again divide it on the basis of the states and sort it accordingly. And here we can see this Illinois is the state generating the highest amount of profit. And if again I'm clicking here and now select go with city, again we can see the city name, which is coming as Danville, which is generating the highest profit. And for this city, we can also see which is the product category generating the highest profit. So we can see the office supplies is the category. Next, we can also see the product subcategory, which would be binders and binder accessories, papers, and the storage organization is in loss. And here again, we can click on plus icon and click on order priority. So we can see here that high priority orders are generating more profit. So in this way, we can analyze the whole data and move on to this highest level to the lowest level of hierarchy, which is there available in our data set. And we can analyze everything. Now what I will do is I will just cancel all these. I will just cancel it out. And now we will see this high and low value options. Now what happens is when I will click on this high value, it will directly split it on the basis of the product category. And when you will hover on this bulb icon, you can see that it is saying the sum of profit is higher when product category is technology. So it is automatically giving us the which product category is generating the highest profit. Similarly, again, if I'm clicking over here and again I'm clicking on high value, then you will see that it is telling sum of profit is highest when product subcategory is telephones and communication. Similarly, if again I'm clicking over here, again I'm going to high value, it is again saying that sum of profit is higher when region is central. So like this, we can go on and on. Let me add one more and let me add one more. And now we can also do the vice versa. We can also go with lower value. So we will add that as well. Let me cancel it out. And now I will go over here and I will click on low value. So it is telling find the field with the lowest value for your metric. And if I'm clicking over here, it is giving me the subcategory with generating the lowest value of profit. Means it is making a loss of 72,000. And if again I'm clicking over here and again I'm going to lower value, it is again telling me furniture is the product category. If again I'm clicking to lower value, it is telling that east is the region. Again, if I'm clicking, it is telling Ohio is the state. And I'm clicking, it is telling high product with high order priority are generating the most loss. So in this way, what we can do is we can go on and on and we can analyze the entire flow of the data. And here you can also change the flow of the data which is passing through this. So if I am clicking on this scissors and rubbers, so it will directly optimize it on the basis of that. And again, so here it is only referring to the central region. If I want to see for west, I can click on west and it will give me accordingly. If I'm clicking on south, then it will give me accordingly. Similarly, if here I want to go for order priority with critical, it will give me accordingly. So this is how this flow chart or this decomposition tree functions, and you can analyze the entire data set by using this single tree a single visualization in Power BI. I hope you have learned something new from this video. And if you really enjoyed learning this process, do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.